Before I start this video, I am ready for a lot of negative comments. I swear I'm gonna tell you the truth whether you like it or not. All the people that you see on the internet talking about the AI, that you should be afraid of this tool, you should be afraid of that tool, this tool is gonna take your job, that tool is gonna just destroy your life and this and that. God damn it, I was expecting a lot more than that from those peoples. I genuinely used to respect all of those YouTubers, but not anymore. All of them are just a course seller and they want to just sell you a course. Now let's get into the first question. Will AI replace programmers? Before I answer this question, I want to ask you two questions. Question number one, how AI learn things, and question number two, if AI can replace programmers, then who is making these AI tools? If you can't give me answer to those questions, you don't have to, because here are my solutions. So how AI learn things? Well, they are trained on OR data. All of the large language model that you see on the internet, they are all trained on OR data, which means like we invented everything first and AI can't do anything by their own. At least not yet. If AI can replace programmers, then who is making these AI tools? AI can replace everyone in this world, but AI can never replace programmers. And why? Well, that's because if AI can build logic by themselves, then that's the end of this world, isn't it? What do I mean by this statement? Well, if AI can write a code for web development, AI can also write a code for machine learning algorithm as well. The point is, writing a code is not a problem. The problem is logic and problem solving, and AI cannot do that in a million years. Question number two, it's difficult to get a job in the AI world. So if you want to get a job, I said that before like a million times, and I want to say that once again. If you want to get a job, you have to build something which have these two qualities. If you build something in which have these two qualities, I cannot promise, but I can definitely guarantee, I can totally confidently say that you will get a job and they will pay you a lot of money. If you build something which can solve the company problems, and also that thing is unique, you will get a job. Like, it's impossible not to get a job if you build something which can solve someone's problem and also which is unique. Now I know a lot of you will ask me, Hossein, how can I build something which will solve some problem and also which will be a unique? So since AI is trained on OR data, which we just discussed a few seconds ago, which means that you can have access to the greatest engineer in this entire universe. You don't have to beg for someone to help you in your project. You can just use the entire world's data and solve your problem quickly. And that also brings us to a next question, like how can I be unique? Now that you have the power of AI, you can learn everything quickly. You can build everything quickly by yourself. If you have any unique idea, just start working on that, and you will also not have these doubts like, what if I get stuck at some point? What if I can do something? Well, if you can do something, you can ask from AI. You don't have to ask from someone else. You can do everything by yourself. So you can totally solve the problems, and you can also build something unique by yourself, so which means like you can get higher. Let's talk about the freelance market. So I also used to be a freelancer myself, but then I got a job and now I have my own company, so I don't need any freelancing anymore. But I asked one of my friend who is a successful freelancer, I said like, how's the freelance market nowadays for the web development? And I swear, quote unquote, he said this: I've been making a lot of money and I've been making a lot of projects because of the AI. He is now able to build a lot of stuff because of the AI, and he's now making a lot of money. And while you are sitting there and just watching a random YouTuber saying like, you should learn Joomla and AI is gonna the butt and AI is gonna do this. I'm sorry, I shouldn't have said that, but yeah, this is what it is. A lot of people are making a lot of money while you are just sitting there and watching random videos about AI is gonna do this and AI is gonna do that. Stop doing that. I also get this question a lot, like, should I learn web development or AI? So that totally depends on you. If you are not good at math and you can solve complex problems, then you should definitely go with web development. And if you are good at math and want to solve complex problems, then you should definitely go with AI. So once again, that totally depends on you. I'm not going to say anything about that. I also get this question a lot, like, will I ever make a course on machine learning and AI? I already uploaded the first video of my machine learning course, which is my Python complete guide. But then nobody was interested in that, so I just abandoned that course. And if you guys want me to make a course on machine learning and AI, I'm gonna definitely make a course on that, but I will not upload that on this channel. I'm gonna upload that on my other channel, which is Hossein 2.0. So if you want to subscribe to that, cool. If you don't want to subscribe to that, you don't have to. If you are still afraid of AI, here are my final thoughts about that. Look, bro or sis, I don't know you, you don't know me, but here is just my personal advice. Don't listen to those negative peoples out there. They don't even know what the hell they are talking about. You are human and you are capable of doing everything. And if you are still afraid of AI, then I want you to just watch the 2 minutes of this video, and I promise it will change your entire perspective. Like, it's fascinating that Leonardo da Vinci learned all of that stuff by himself without any chat GPT, without any internet or any technology, by himself 500 years ago. And here now you are questioning yourself that you cannot learn new things or you cannot explore new things, and AI is gonna take your job and you are totally useless. That's not true. I want you to just only watch the first 2 minutes of this video just for me. For me, just only watch the first 2 minutes of this video. And trust me, it's gonna change your entire perspective. And lastly, a quote from Ultron. How is humanity safe if they're not allowed to evolve? Ultron. So yeah,